Hello guys, welcome to the Wolf. And first of all, before beginning the video, congratulations to all the traders who traded gold according to my analysis, and most importantly learned how to do analysis as well and not just depend on me. Congratulations to all. Perfect, straight to the point move in the gold's price. And not only gold, right now the Bitcoin is also pumping. As I told you, it will pump and it is pumping. So do follow my Twitter for latest updates. Let's get to the charts. Right now I am on the gold's chart daily time frame, and same this day on Monday last week I told you about a very good trade opportunity on gold and how we can benefit from it. And as I told you, I and my smart traders entered here only and captured this all move. But to all those people who missed this move, I also gave one more trade to you all with an entry of approximate here. They also, with a risk to reward of 1:2, booked awesome profits here, as I told you all. Amazing trade right now, and I hope you booked your profits, booked your take profits and everything, because I told you the price can go till the purple box right here and can meet this trend line right here. And as we can see, as soon as the price meet the trend line, now the sellers are entering again in the market, and now we can see a sell off pressure in the gold's price again. As I told you all, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and this lower high we captured. So perfect, straight to the point analysis again. And now heading to Bitcoin's daily time frame chart right now. And while I'm recording the video, the Bitcoin is pumping like crazy right now. According to my analysis, I entered over here and my take profit is over here at 29,733, and my stop loss is approx here 10% move. Right now I'm capturing with 10x leverage. That means 100% gains I made. And I also informed about this trade on my Twitter as well, and in my video also. I'll show you a live proof. So right now I'm on my Twitter. This is my Twitter profile. If you want to follow me, the link will be in the description. And so I posted a tweet right here that I'm entering in a long position on gold. Simple technical analysis. And as you can see this photo right here, as I shared you, and this was on 14th of October. That means Saturday. Well, Saturday, Sunday, no volatility in the market, but as soon as the futures market opened and the weekdays started, the price is right now pumping. So this is a live proof that I share my trade updates to you all on my Twitter as well. Guys, I do not take a trade or enter a trade or do anything without informing you guys. I will always make a video, or I will at least make a tweet like I did in this case. So do follow me on my Twitter and subscribe my channel so you can get notified, and I will take all my trades live with you only, and whether they result in profit or loss, I'll share it with you. Right now the Bitcoin price is pumping. Well, let me inform you that I will book 50 to 60% of my trade approximate here. My actual take profit is here, but I will book 50 to 60% of my trade here, and I'll trail the rest of the trade. Why? I'll show you. Because if I draw a trend line like this, then we can clearly see the gold's price low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then higher high. So the price will try to create a new higher high, which it can create approx here. Not sure. The price can go approx till here first, and after that there are chances that we can see a sell-off or some consolidation or maybe a reversal. So I'll book 50 to 60% of my trade there, and of course I'll inform you guys on my Twitter also. The rest will be running, and if I see a reversal or trade is going against me, then I'll close all my position. But right now my actual take profit is this only. So I thought this is important for you all, because you all are also entered in a long position right now on Bitcoin. So it's just a recommendation from me. Also do your own analysis. Okay, so guys, right now I'm on the Stellar chart, Stellar XLM USDT. It is also a cryptocurrency, and few hours ago I shared a tweet in which I saw a very good opportunity to enter in a long position right here and to capture the all the move right here on my Twitter as well. Also I shared this tweet also on my Twitter. Let me show you, and this is my tweet where I am sharing you guys a very good opportunity on Stellar right here, but I won't suggest anyone to enter because this is yesterday's tweet, and at that time the Stellar not that much in a good setup for take a trade. It was a risky trade. When I shared this tweet, the Stellar's price was still at its normal only and not showing any confirmation to enter a trade. So I told you all to wait for a breakout or a confirmation before entering along. So I'll suggest that right now also this is not the correct time to enter in a trade. Wait for a breakout or a confirmation only before taking a trade. But if you want to take risk like me, then you can take a risk, but take calculated risk and use proper money management and risk management right now. And yeah, this is my trade. Let me show you the update. My target is all the way up here at 0.1291 and my stop loss is at here 0.0975. This is a very good support, and the Stellar's price was falling down heavily from here. So yeah, I saw a candle losing momentum of sellers. The bears were losing their selling momentum. So this is a very good trade, and also it is a falling wedge pattern, which is a bullish pattern. Well, technically all pattern can be bullish or bearish, but let's see what happens. I am confident in this trade. My first target is here because this is a very good important resistance level. If the price breaks this resistance, then my target will be all the way up here still, but my main target is here only. So let's see what happens. I told you the logic behind this trade and when to enter and when not to enter. So yes guys, this was a quick trade update on Stellar and the Bitcoin trade update also, the logic behind two trades and what to do when the price goes against us. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. I'm right now in a hurry, so yeah, I'm making a quick video, but the analysis and the logic is perfect, so do watch it 2 to 3 times. Do follow me on Twitter for my trade updates. I'm sharing my live PNL there. So yeah, this is it for today's video. See you guys next.